Namaskar. Eastern Coalfields Limited is moving towards a fully digital e-payslip system. This initiative not only simplifies access for employees, but also supports our commitment to a paperless and environmentally responsible workplace. To access your e-payslip, first open your internet browser and search for the official Eastern Coalfields. Click on the official link to open the homepage. Once the homepage opens, click on the Portals drop-down menu. From there, select Employees Login. This will redirect you to the Employee Login page. Enter your login credentials, including your employee ID. Make sure your registered mobile number is active, as OTP verification may be required. If the employee code contains fewer than 8 digits, please add leading zeros to make it an 8-digit number. After successful login, you can view your individual e-payslip. Simply click on the View Payslip option and download your payslip instantly. The e-payslip system provides secure access through OTP verification, instant availability, and eliminates the need for paper copies. It is a simple yet meaningful step towards digital empowerment and environmental conservation. Stay connected with us for more updates.